what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
One of the most popular cases we've ever designed here at Corsair is our Carbide Series Air 540. It had an active cooling chamber to cool your CPU and GPU, and a passive chamber on the rear for power supply cables, PSUs, and storage drives that didn't need as much cooling. But because we believe you can always do better, this is the spiritual successor to the Air 540, the 680X RGB. It shares the same dual-chambered layout as the Air 540 with an entirely new and refined look. There are 3 floating tempered glass panels on the front, the top, and the side, so you can show off your components and fans. But these glass panels will not obstruct your cooling because we've designed a huge gap between the panel and the case so you can get plenty of airflow. On the I/O panel, you'll find the standard connections plus a modern update with the USB 3.1 Type-C port. The 680X side panel swings open so you can easily build a new PC or just upgrade your existing one. In the front of the case, you can mount up to a 360mm radiator, on top and bottom up to 280mm, and even a 140 in the rear. And because you just spent a ton of cash on a brand new graphics card and you want to show it off to yourself and your friends, you have a 90-degree GPU mount in here so you can mount it vertically and look at it in all of its glory. But my favorite feature of the dual chamber design is that it is cheat mode for cable routing. You can use that second chamber to hide all of your cables while your first chamber stays fresh and clean looking. In the rear chamber, you can mount up to our AX1600i PSU, as well as 3 3.5-inch drives and 4 2.5-inch drives. Every 680X RGB comes with the Lighting Node Pro, which gives you full control over the RGB lighting of your system with our IQ software. With IQ, you can choose from dozens of built-in lighting profiles, or you can create your own. The Air 540 was a very successful case, but I think that the Crystal Series 680X RGB improves upon it in almost every way. For more information, head on over to Corsair.com.
The updated NZXT H-Series improves upon the performance, connectivity, and overall design of our most popular cases. The new models include the H710 and H710i, H510 and H510i, and the H210 and H210i, ranging from mid-tower, compact mid-tower, and Mini-ITX cases. The tempered glass window beautifully showcases your build and now installs with a single captive thumb screw, making it easier than ever to access components. We've modernized the front I/O panel with a Gen 2 compatible USB-C connector, enabling you to connect smartphones, external storage, and peripherals to your PC. The audio connections have been updated to a single 3.5mm jack for broad compatibility with audio output devices. AirF fans are included for optimal internal airflow with removable filters on all intakes to help reduce dust in your build. All models include removable fan and radiator mounting brackets for radiators up to 240mm for the H210, up to 280mm for the H510, and up to 360mm for the H710. This simplifies installation of closed-loop or custom-loop liquid cooling by allowing you to install them to the bracket outside of the case. Our patented cable routing system makes organizing your cables simple, intuitive, and attractive. The Smart I versions feature pre-installed RGB lighting and digital fan control, the new Smart Device version 2, updated with a faster processor for improved performance and 2 Q2 compatible RGB channels. The Smart Device version 2 is fully integrated with CAM for total control of preset and custom lighting modes, as well as 3 fan channels supporting voltage regulated or PWM fans. By measuring system noise under multiple loads, the improved ambient noise reduction feature in CAM delivers an optimal balance between cooling and system noise. Both H510i and H710i allow you to mount your graphics card vertically for further customization. Simply remove the vertical GPU mounting bracket cover, insert a riser cable into a PCIe slot, install the GPU onto the bracket, then connect the riser to your GPU. The updated NZXT H-Series is available in white, black, and black and red colors at all authorized retail locations. You can learn more about the latest evolution in the H-Series at NZXT.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more NZXT content.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.